Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw the most beautiful, colorful unicorn. Let's start with his sparkling eyes, face, tiny nostril, and then we move on to his magical mane. Let's draw his special horn. Wow, it looks amazing, doesn't it? Now, it's time to draw his cute ears. Look how adorable they are. Let's draw his neck now and add some more mane to our unicorn. He's looking awesome already, don't you agree? Next, we draw his legs and body. We finished with the front legs, so let's move on to the rear legs now. He's looking so adorable. Wow, he's looking at us so curiously, right? Now, let's finish by adding his ponytail. To paint our unicorn. We'll start by painting his face, ears, and body with a light pink. What color would you prefer? Now, let's add some sparkling yellow to his cute horn and some parts of his mane. We'll use this yellow on the bottom of his nails too. Next, let's paint his mane with bright red at the top and in a few other parts. Now, let's use blue for some parts of his mane and his tail. Time to add a little green to his mane and tail, making him look even more magical. Finally, we'll finish with a bright pink for his tail, adding that extra sparkle. Are you ready for an adventurous ride with this cute unicorn? I hope you had as much fun as I did. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.